How to repair eufy left side wheel not spinning. You can check my other videos for step-by-step demonstration on it. Removed all 9 screws before you can take it apart. The 9th screw, located underneath the middle wheel. If this is your first time, I suggest to take pictures of the vac with the motherboard connections on it. Then you can start unscrewing the motherboard. See the battery compartment underneath it. To remove the side wheel, I have to take the front part and the exhaust on the back. Front part have only 2 screws to remove it. This should how it looks after removing the front and back parts. Now, I can start unscrewing the side wheel and remove it. This is the left side wheel looks like. To check gearbox why it wasn't spinning anymore, I have to remove the wheel from the casing. I have to lightly pound the pin, a small hammer and small screwdriver works for this. Then, I can start taking it apart and check if all gears are in good shape. I'm in luck, I don't need to change parts. All gears are in good shape, no broken pieces inside. The wheel are just hard to spin due to friction, no more lubrication on it. Just need grease. I sprayed grease on the gears, and then, put gearbox back together. Also, you can check the wheel running before put all the parts together. You need 9 volts battery for this. If the wheel is running and working again, then you can put all the parts together. Please check the link for reference on how to take it apart and put all parts back.